Hello YouTube and Vanguard fan, welcome to my channel TMGTCG. Today I bought 5 pack of Generation Strike poster pack, and I don't intended to buy a box and do an opening because I'm still building my Blaster Joker deck, and I'm still missing 3 Blaster Joker. If you want to trade, if you know where to get a cheaper version of Blaster Joker, do PM me, leave a comment or email me. Thanks a lot. Let's do the unpacking right now. First pack. It's a rare Star Knight Violinist Royal Paladin. I do hope to get some clear conical cut here. Let's see. A double rare Noah Glitter is a Quintet War. Is it Quintet War or Perfect Card? Lady Cyclone. Yep, is a Perfect Card. Not bad. The pack. It's a rare clear conical steam night something. It's a triple rare. What's this? Oracle Tang Tang, I think. Tang Tang, and is Supreme Heavenly Battle Dante Susano. Triple rare. Nice pull. Okay, last pack. It's a double rare Royal Paladin. Alright, so this is I think is Knight of the Fragment double rare. Well, good pull. Out of the 5 pack, I got a triple rare, Oracle Tang Tang, a double rare Knight of Fragment, and a Perfect Card Noah Glitter. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.